Hi, I'm Pete.
And I'm Kaz, and together we are Crafty Caravanners.
Today's video is the top 3 modifications that you've done to your caravan. This video is part of a collaboration, and we'd like to encourage you to watch the other videos in this month's playlist. There are bound to be some good ones in there.
Without further ado, let's start with item number 1. These are in no particular order. I'm going to go for the lights that you installed inside the wardrobes.
Why did we go for the lights inside the wardrobes?
Because there weren't any, basically. Yeah, just when you open the wardrobe, there isn't particularly much lighting, I find, in the wardrobe in the bedroom area of the caravan. So when you open up the wardrobe, I mean, it's quite easy to see what's hanging from the rails, but there's quite a lot of space down the bottom as well that we utilise, and it was just difficult, and trying to distinguish between socks, pants, and everything's kind of roughly the same colour, and feeling I just said one day, oh, I wish these wardrobes had lights in, and then you kind of thought, oh,
yeah, I came up with a project because I found I was looking silly putting pants on my feet. But in seriousness, I got some switches, a little bit of electrical wiring, wired up a quick loom, and every time you open the cupboard door, some LED lights turn on.
And then when they close, they click off. There's a little catchy
there is
sensor thing. I don't know what you call it.
Yes, the switch on the door. You can hear it click and it turns on and off.
Yeah. Number 2 is USB sockets. So at night time, we like to charge our phones and watches, and really it's handy to do it next to you in bed. We've got like a little tiny shelf that just is wide enough for the phones. It's just so you can see what the time is in the middle of the night, or if one of us wakes up earlier than the other and wants to have a look at Facebook or something, then the phone's there. I don't have to clamber over Pete to go and get my phone. So it was just really handy to have some USB points on our bedside cabinet so that we could charge our phones.
Apart from the bedside sockets, I've also installed a USB charging socket next to where the car radio is. I'll show you that now. This socket is especially handy for charging the mobile router that we use.
Item number 3. Now, I'm not very technical, but when we got our new caravan, well, new to us caravan, the jockey wheel looked pretty manky. That's all I can say. So we got a new jockey wheel because
it's good on all surfaces. We've tried it now out on gravel, on grass, on the road in our driveway, which is made out of bricks. The wheel is solid to feel. It winds up and down nicely. It doesn't look like it's going to bend.
And it was quite easy for you to install, wasn't it? Like taking the old one out and putting the new one in.
Yeah, it was quite easy to install. The little handle that goes spins on top to do
winding.
It does the winding up and down. That the thing, it just feels very smoothly. It actually automatically locks in place, so the handle is not going to spin and drop the wheel down by accident, as some of the cheaper models are apparently prone to do. So I'm glad we've never faced that particular problem.
I just think it looks nicer, but that's a girl thing.
Yeah. Nice bright orange. Yeah.
Never one to be practical. Okay, so that's this month's collaboration video. We're looking forward to seeing the other videos to see what other people's modifications are. And if any of you guys have made any modifications to your caravans, then please let us know in the comments, because you never know, we might find something that will be useful for us too.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.